Hello, smart mathematicians. Let's do question 111. Factorize the following expression fully. So we have two terms here, and then we have the highest common factor, which is x. So it means we have to factor out x. We have to factor out x here. And then what we do, say x, and then x squared divided by x is x. And then negative x divided by x is negative 1. Right, so we factorize fully. Please don't make a mistake of saying x divided by x and get 0. No. X divided by x gives you 1. So in the bracket it will be x minus 1. Just know that if you have two terms that you are factorizing, then inside the bracket you must have two terms also. Okay, so we factorize fully there.